So, what's going on, family? Let us know what city and what state you're coming from.
I'm from Fort Smith, Arkansas.
Okay, so before you entered the META program, what did you think about life?
Really, I'm not gonna say it was pointless, but really just like, will I see tomorrow? You feel me?
Just taking it one day at a time, huh?
Yes,
So,
sir.
coming here for the 3 weeks, after you have experienced this, now how do you feel versus than you did before you came?
I see more to life. Like it's more than just, running the streets, watching over my back now. Like I see how many opportunities I got. Like there's so many different things I can do. I don't gotta live day by day no more.
That facts. So, out of all the trades that you touched here, which one do you really like? You say, you know what, I really want to kind of learn more about this one. Which one out of, I think you got what, 8 and 11. Which one did you really like?
I'm really interested in the welding and the cable splicing.
And both of them good money. You really picked two good ones.
The blue collar, more money.
Okay, most definitely, fam. So if you would have to say anything to someone that was coming in behind you, what could you encourage them? What kind of word could you give them?
Man, just, a lot of people say they want to change, but they don't take action, you feel me? And then this program really opens a lot of doors, and it really opened my eyes personally. So I feel like if you just want to change your environment, try to do something better, not just for your life, but for your family, like this is the place to be.
Great, man. I appreciate that. Thanks.
No problem.
So what's going on, family? Let the people know what city and what state you're coming from.
I'm from Nashville, Arkansas.
Nashville, Arkansas. Okay, so what's your name, fam?
I'm Dalen.
Okay, so before you got into the META24 program, how did you view life? What did you think about life? Like, how was you viewing, like, being alive and just moving day to day?
See, back before I came here, I really wasn't even thinking about nothing. I was just moving. Moving too fast. I was just
just going with the flow. Just going with the flow. That's real.
Sometimes the flow will mess you up.
You heard what he said, family. That's a good thing. So now that you got the chance to experience this just for 3 weeks, we know it's been small, but how are you thinking now? How are you viewing life now after you have experienced this program?
Now, I like the opportunities it is. Like, if I ain't come here, I probably wouldn't even be looking for no opportunities. I'd probably
just be regular, huh?
Be regular, like how I would. But now I see I could do this to make this certain amount of money. I could do that. It's a bunch of opportunity.
Okay, so it gave you a lot of more ideas.
Yeah.
So out of all the ones you seen that you was able to touch, which one that really like, ooh, I want to learn more about this one? What trade was it?
Welding.
Okay, shout out to Welding. Okay, so Welding was the one you said, you know what, I want to learn more. And family, just so, he did good too. So just for someone that has zero experience, I think if you get there and you sit down and you do a 6 weeks course, it'll change your life, fam. It'll change your life. So I appreciate you coming in and checking in with us. Hold on.
All right.
Okay, family, so let the people know what's your name and what city, state you're from.
I'm from Texas County, Arkansas. My name is Keon Roberts.
Okay, Roberts, let me know something. So before you entered this program, what did you think about life? Like how was you moving?
I didn't know I was gonna be in and out of jail and stuff. I didn't think I'd come to a place like this.
Okay, so after you've experienced it, even though it's been short, just 3 weeks, what do you think about it and how has it like impressed your life now? Like how do you see life now?
I seen a little bit good because I learned trades and stuff like that.
Okay, so out of all of them that you touched, which one was your favorite?
Graphic design.
Graphic design. Okay, we appreciate that. Hold on, fam. Okay, family, so tell the people where you're from and what's your name.
So I'm from Russellville, Arkansas. My name is Braxton Wilson.
Okay, Mr. Braxton, so before you entered this program, how did you see life? Like, how was you living?
I didn't think I was going to get too far because I had a little bump in the road and it kind of messed a little bit of my life up. But after being here, I realized a lot. Like, I have so much potential that I didn't know I had. And, like, this place is really helping me get my life on track.
So coming here for these small 3 weeks in this boot camp, has open up your mind to new opportunities.
Yes, sir. Like,
So out of all the trades, which one really touched you to say, you know what, I think I want to learn more about this?
I think I want to learn welding.
Okay,
I think that's my best way to go. I
Okay.
welded a pretty good first line, so.
And you had a good hand. You had a good
Yes,
hand
sir.
too. So I really think it's a good opportunity because I didn't have the opportunity that y'all have. So
Yes, sir.
if someone was coming in behind you that you know and you could encourage them, what would you tell them about the program? Would you like motivate them to get into it?
Yes, sir. I would tell them about how good it is and how many opportunities it opens up for you.
Okay.
Like,
okay.
This place has done me a lot of good, and I plan on staying here for a while.
Okay.
Might get my master's here.
Hey, you heard what he said. That's what I'm talking about, fam. I'm glad that we didn't impress you that way.
Yes, sir.
Hold on. Okay, family. So tell the people what's your name and what city and state you're from.
My name is Colin Hicks. I'm from Conway, Arkansas.
Okay. So before you got into this program, Mr. Hicks, how was you living? How was you moving? What was you thinking about life?
Well, I was in a college. I was going to get my diesel certificate and welding certificate, but I was still trying to live like a child, live my way, which was the wrong way, and got caught doing stuff I shouldn't been doing.
Okay. Well, it happens. It all happens to us all. So once you finally got here and experienced this type of program, even though it's just been 3 weeks, how has this program changed how you think, or has it given you any more motivation? Like, what has it done for you in this 3 weeks?
It showed me that I could still do the right thing and still have as much fun as I was having, or the fun I was having whenever I was out, but do it the right way, not get in trouble, and go further in life with it.
Okay, that's great, man. That's a great, and I got to say this. I got family in Conway. I actually got some nieces and nephews that's from there. So it's good to see someone here that's really trying to do something. So if it was someone else that was coming behind you, would you encourage them to enter this program?
Yes, sir. I most definitely would. It's a new environment that you can go into. There's a lot of people around here that are going to support you and push you to your limit, make you better, show you the right way to do it, and start a habit for you to do the right thing. So you get a habit into it. Whenever you leave the program, you can go back home. You already got the habit of it, so it's just gonna come natural.
Come natural to you. I like how you said that. Hold on, fam.
My name Ford. I'm 18. I'm from Rockford, Illinois. I was living in a criminal addiction way before I came here, and Meta has gave me the opportunities to have a good future when I get out of here.
Okay, so it opened up doors. So you feel, so which one? So tell me this: what trade do you really like out of all the ones you to touch? Which one you say, you know what, I want to come back?
This is gonna feel your heart, welding, bro.
Yeah, when you say this gonna feel my heart,
It's gonna make me the money, bro.
and I appreciate that, fam. Hold on. Okay, family. So what's your name and what city you're from?
I'm Cole Hendricks, and I'm from Calico Rock, Arkansas.
Okay. So since you've been here, or before you got here, I'm sorry, how was you living? Like, what kind of lifestyle was you living?
I was pretty good. I had pretty good lifestyle. The only thing, I was heading down a dark path. I was drinking a lot, like, every day, and smoking every day. But other than that, I lived pretty well off.
So since you've been here, what kind of ideas or what kind of motivation or change you have received within this 3 weeks?
I've learned a lot about 3D printing, but I've also learned a lot about most of the other labs using Roblox, and I've been making Roblox games.
Okay.
And I think that's a fun hobby I might get into.
Okay, so I was just gonna say that. So out of all of them, which one do you feel that you really, really like?
3D printing, actually. I've made, wait.
Hold up. He got some toys for us. Show the people. You made all that?
Yup.
Wow, so those are products that you can actually place on a shelf and sell. Check that out, fam. That is cool. Hold on. Okay, family, so what's your name and what city and state you're from?
My name is Krishan Payne. I'm from Augusta, Arkansas.
Okay, LaShawn, so before you got into the program, how was you living? How was your lifestyle?
It really wasn't too good. You feel me? I was going down the wrong path, just going down a narrow road.
Okay, so coming here for these 3 weeks, what kind of ideas or what kind of life-changing direction or motivation have you got since you've been here?
Really a lot. Positive, like really positive feedback from everybody that I've been around. Everybody that I've been around, I have been around, well, I'm gonna put it like this. I have been around some people that have been in my shoes, you feel me? So it's easy for them to understand where I'm coming from than somebody else that ain't never been there. So it's easy for them to help me and put me on the right path because they didn't already did it. They didn't already walk the path. They done been down the road. You feel me?
So do you think having a mentor like that really help you understand what
Yeah.
direction to go?
Yeah, cause like somebody that's just on the outside looking in that ain't never walked that path, they can't tell me what to do or tell me how to change something if they ain't never did it and been there before.
So what you're saying is what really helped you with the program that they had mentors that actually been where you been,
Right.
and that really gave you an opportunity. So
Right.
out of everything you touch, which trade do you think you want to learn more about? Which one that was like, you know what, I like this, I'm gonna come back and get this one?
I didn't think I was gonna like it at first, but it had to be welding.
So you like welding, you didn't think you were gonna like it at first, and now you like it.
Yeah.
And you got a good hand at it, like for real, you caught on to it fast. I told you and your partner that was with you, y'all caught on to it fast, so I think you should continue it after you leave here, fam. But
Yes,
appreciate that, fam. Be blessed. Hold on. Okay, family, so what's your name and what city, state you from?
My name is Trent Burson. I'm from Conway, Arkansas.
Okay, Conway, Arkansas. So before you got into this program, fam, what was you doing with your life? How was your life at the time?
Yeah, I mean, it was cool, but I was making a lot of not very smart decisions.
Okay, so since you've been here, even though it's short and it's only 3 weeks, how has this program rubbed off on you? How has it helped you? Have it gave you a new direction, gave you some ideas?
Oh yeah, it's completely changed my direction and gave me some very innovative ideas, especially with what I want to do in my life.
Okay, so what have you figured out what you want to do? That's great that you said that. So what you want to do now since you've been here?
Well, aside from starting my truck company, I think taking up welding is the best thing I could do.
And I ain't
It's-
gonna
it's
lie,
a
fam,
job.
he got a good hand at it too, so that's good, fam, so that's good. So if it's anyone else that may be coming from where you coming from in Conway, and they probably going down your direction, what kind of encouragement can you give them about this program? Do you feel like this program can help them and give them something?
I could tell them that there's way more opportunities that they can do to make a lot more money, especially down the road, and give them something to do that's productive than what they're already doing. You know, they don't gotta be in the same mold, you know what I'm saying? They can go ahead. It don't take much to think outside the box. And if I show them some numbers, I bet they really like that.
Okay, so you think this program helped you see some numbers?
Oh, yeah.
So now you ready to get some money? All right, fam, be blessed. Hold on. Okay, family, what's your name and what city, state you from?
My name's Gavin. I'm from Russellville, Arkansas.
Okay, Gavin, before you entered into this program, what kind of life was you living?
I was just moving too fast, hanging around with the wrong people and getting in trouble.
Okay, so since you had the opportunity to experience this 3-week boot camp, how do you feel this has changed your life? Do you feel like it's opened up doors, giving
Yeah,
you
it's
new
just giving
ideas?
me a different perspective on things.
Okay.
It's just like a bunch of job opportunities too.
Okay, so out of everything you have touched since you've been here and got exposed to, which one do you think you really want to learn more about?
Probably welding and the CDL.
Okay, great. Hold on, fam. Okay, family, so tell us, what's your name and what city and state you're from?
My name is Chase Staten. I'm from Pine Bluff, Arkansas.
Okay, so before you got into the program, fam, how was you living, fam? How was you moving around?
Man, I was in the street.
You was in the streets?
Doing everything.
So tell me this, since you got into this program, it's only been 3 weeks. Has this program gave you some new ideas, helped you with a new direction in life? Like, how has this program touched you?
It done gave me some new ideas, like different stuff I want to do, things I ain't never seen before, stuff like that.
Okay, so out of all of the things you have touched since you've been here, which one do you say, you know what, out of this is the one I really want to come back and get? What trade really touched you?
Welding.
Welding. Okay, that's what's up. Be blessed, fam. Hold on.